Alright, we're going to design our summer fun picture. So, first I'm going to do is make layers. I want to have sand, water, and then like an island in the background. So, on the bottom, I'm going to make a wavy line. Then, closer to the top, I'm going to make a wavy line, but actually more like waves, so kind of bumpy, zigzaggy. Now, I'm going to make a curve that comes from that line and goes off the side of the page. So this area down here is our sand, this is our water, and this is our island. So in the sand, we're going to make a beach spot where people are sitting. So we're going to have a rainbow line. And then we're going to have 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So this is the beach umbrella. You're going to make a line that comes out. Then we're going to make a little, like a rectangle laying on its side, and squish a little bit for like a beach towel that's laying down on the sand. It's going to go like this. And a little line. And then like that. And then connect. Right, and we'll leave some little flip-flops next to the towel, so we're going to make kind of a little bean shape. And a little V, and there's our flip-flops. Alright, and then last thing down here, we're going to put a beach ball. So a circle. And put a dot on the circle. And make curved lines. That you can color in. Now if you have a lot of extra room, you could put a sandcastle, some sandy footprints, kids playing, whatever. I'm going to leave it like this for mine. Okay, now in the middle part, we're going to put some fish and maybe a shark. So first I'm going to make just a fish. Triangle tail. A little dot for the eye. Now the fish, he's out of the water, right? So I'm going to put some little splash line drips all around the fish. He's splashed out of the water. Now I'm going to make my shark. So I'm going to have a little bit of a curve. And then I'm going to have the shark fin. So we're going to go back. And then down. And we're going to go back a little bit. Now this is going to be the water that the fin's peeking out of. So we're just going to make this kind of wavy line. There. And to match with it, I'm going to put more wavy water lines all in this water part. You could put more fish or octopus, seashells, whatever you want in there. Okay, and then back here we're going to put a palm tree. It's going to have a curved line. And the one next to it to match it. And maybe a coconut. Okay, and then for the palm leaves, we're going to have another curve that comes out the top of the tree on both sides. A little zigzag at the end. And then go back. I'm going to make one more of those peeking out. Alright, and then the palm tree is going to have stripes on its bark. Okay, and then we're going to make it a bright, sunny day. Sun shining in the sky. You could put a sailing boat back here if you wanted to. You could put a little crab or a treasure chest on the island. But there's the basic design. Alright guys, bye.